Hey, what is going on? Bluetooth Synergy here today. I want to show you guys how to pair these wireless earbuds over here. I'm sure you probably might have gotten them from eBay or Amazon. So I want to show you guys how to connect them to a Samsung Galaxy Note 4, okay? And with that said, let's get to the pairing process. So first things first, on your Note 4 phone, you want to go ahead and use the drop-down menu as one of the ways to access the Bluetooth settings. They kind of just browse going across until you see where it says Bluetooth. So that's one way. Tap on it once, and then a Bluetooth window will open up for you. You have a collection. You'll see all these Bluetooths that I've already previously paired to this phone. And what you want to do is just gonna rest it down for now. It'll scan for a while. You'll see it scanning, and then it'll stop. But don't worry about that. Now on your headset over here, this play, pause, and call button over here, the very top one closest to the LED light, that's actually your power on and power off button. Now all you gotta do, hold it down for 2 seconds, it'll turn on. So 1, 2. Alright, once you see the blue light, just go ahead and let it go for a while. Alright, just rest it down. Now go back to your phone and scan, okay? So where it says available devices, you're not gonna see it until you scan again. So scan once. Alright, it's gonna scan, search. Just gonna swipe up, keep swiping up until it picks up, and there you go. This is what it's gonna show up as DBT music. Once you see that, tap on it one time. You know, of course, it's gonna run the pairing process for you, and it'll appear to the very top as your current paired Bluetooth headset. The text will be in a blue bold colored, and it'll say connected for call and media audio. And once you've gotten that part in, that means you are good to go. So go ahead and cancel this and get out of that window, and that's it. You're officially connected. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe. See you all in another video.